Today marks the official beginning of my journey with the M1 Max. I have onboarded myself with a M1 iPad Pro, but until this moment, all my Macs have been Intel Macs. So I did not script this unboxing at all, not that. Is it weird to script unboxings? But I just wanted to share my excitement with you because who can hold in their excitement? So the configuration I got is not the M1 Max, it's the M1 Pro, 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSDs. Why did I get the Pro and not the Max? There are two versions to this story. You can believe whichever version you want to. First of which is I'm getting this as a secondary machine, so I wanted maximum battery life and the gentlest fans. Version 2 of the story is I'm just broke. So let's go ahead and get this open. Right before I pull this pull tab, also worth pointing out, this top angle you're looking at right here, this is the iPhone 13 Pro. So giving you a nice good view of the pull tab. Okay, that should get us far enough. Off with the plastic. I was, to some extent, expecting this year's MacBooks to not come with the plastic wrap because the iPhone 13s did not have the external plastic wrap. But here it is, the magical moment, the box lift. Coming off this side first. Okay, they got my color right, silver. It is quite big. There's the lift. And there, we'll save the best for last. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, the one thing I'm most excited for, weird thing, the stickers. This year's MacBook Pros come with the Pro stickers. So moment of truth, it should be in here somewhere. I'll be so disappointed if I don't find any stickers in here. Oh no, where are the stickers? Okay, we're safe. Yes! Black stickers. This is where all the money's at, guys. This. I'm not even gonna use them, just gonna keep them in there nicely. So I do take them out from the box every now and then to admire the stickers. I can't be the only one who does that. If you do that too, leave a comment. I need to know I'm not the only one. 140 watt charger for the 16-inch models. You do not get to pick which charger. You don't get to pay to upgrade your charger. It comes with the more powerful charger to boot. And this is going to also be my very first MagSafe MacBook. Braided cable. So I am quite excited for MagSafe, but that also means I can no longer charge my iPad Pro using my MacBook charger. Guess we're gonna have to live with that. Anyway, the good stuff. Okay, let's get this. Wow, look at that. And okay, I have a dilemma now. I'll either open the lid facing the camera, but that means I don't get to see it. But if I face me, you guys don't get to see it. I'll move to the other side of the camera. Right, I'm still here. There it is. Oh, hello. Okay, let me get back behind the camera. So, I am very excited for the HDR display that this MacBook offers. I am upgrading from my 2019 16-inch i9 MacBook Pro. Now, just doing a quick comparison, the Apple logo is bigger. There. We've got a bigger, newer Apple logo on this new MacBook here. I was concerned that it looked thicker in the photos, but if we put them both side by side, the new one does feel a touch taller, but in terms of thickness, it's actually not too different. If I was to be completely honest, I do actually prefer the physical design of the old version. I just like the slightly curved edges, makes the whole MacBook appear a bit more sleek. But I don't diswelcome the ports on the new one either, if diswelcome is a word. Also, if we lift the lid on both MacBooks, there's no longer a touch bar on the new one. I know 90% of the people I've spoken to dislike the touch bar, like some flat out hate it, but I'm actually like that 1% who's actually going to miss the touch bar.
Press the return key.
My MacBook's already talking back at me. But anyway, do stay tuned for more content on the new M1 MacBook Pro. Once I get this adrenaline out of my body, the new excitement is kicking in. But if you enjoyed this unboxing, do stick around and maybe I'll see you in one of my other ones. If I have cash left to fund any more new products. See you.